An active pattern upcoming here for the next couple of days here within the state of Michigan. Let's go ahead and break this down day by day and give you guys a brief overview of what to expect here. Not going to get too specific just yet, but want to get the word out here that we do have some severe weather potential starting Monday, tomorrow, and lasting into the Wednesday period. So, starting with today, actually on Sunday, we're not expecting too much in the way of severe weather, if any at all. No severe risk from the SPC today, but we are going to watch a couple storms, particularly in southeast Michigan later on this evening. Look at the model here. We're going to see some pop up showers and storms there across the southeast area, likely along a lake boundary there or a surface boundary to get some storms up and going. Again, nothing severe is expected. Wouldn't be shocked to see some gusty winds, small hail, heavy downpours, frequent lightning, so on and so forth. The real attention shifts to tomorrow, where the SPC has a marginal risk, which is level 1 out of a scale of 5, for severe weather for the entire lower peninsula of Michigan. And they do have all hazards being shown here. This is your hail risk, this is your wind risk, this is your tornadic risk. So the entire state, should I say the entire lower peninsula of Michigan, is in that risk for all hazards tomorrow. Timing on this is likely going to be right around that late afternoon, probably going to be evening time frame after 5, 6 o'clock, and then so on and so forth after into the evening hours. Looking at some models here, they are showing some scattered development in Monday morning here across the northern portions of lower Michigan, even the parts of the UP. Moving that into Monday afternoon, we stay dry. Then we start getting pop-up storms. Look to the west. There's our line of storms. It's going to push into Michigan late evening. Now, this model does have it kind of weakening there, but the overall idea is we're going to have showers and storms moving into the area Monday evening or after, usually 6 p.m. on some of these models. So watch for that. Then we have a risk coming in here for Tuesday of a little bit higher risk, level 2 out of 5. So a slight risk there in yellow for portions of West Michigan, as well as parts of the UP. But we also have that enhanced risk out here to our west. This is likely going to be more of a wind type of event, in my opinion, with isolated tornadoes and perhaps large hail as well. This should be mainly a wind event. We're going to see a bow echo, or expect to see a bow echo out here to the west in Iowa take shape, push our way. It's going to reach us by the later evening hours of Tuesday. So some uncertainty here in terms of how much instability we're going to work with. And then what kind of ingredients are going to be available for that to be a risk or not a risk. But the entire state is highlighted here just because we do have some overlap of wind shear, instability, overall parameters, some lift there as well. So we have some parameter spaces here supporting severe weather again for Tuesday. So keep an eye on that. We'll have updates for you guys on this tomorrow morning as well. Then last but not least, we do have the risk here for southeast Michigan on Wednesday. That will likely be expanded and or shift. It could shift out of the state. It could shift back into the state, depending on how all this timing works out. These days, when they're stacked up back to back like this, it's like a domino effect where Monday will affect Tuesday and Tuesday will affect Wednesday, so on and so forth. So we're going to have to wait and see how it plays out. But 3 consecutive days here of severe weather in Michigan. Want to get the word out. You guys should be prepared. Have multiple ways to receive warnings, weather radios, EAS alerts, the Red Cross emergency app. Make sure you guys have ways to receive warnings. We'll have you guys updated, and we'll be live streaming every severe storm and any type of severe weather here in the state of Michigan throughout this 3-day stretch of potentially active weather here in Michigan. Live stream tonight, which is Sunday night at 7 p.m. to discuss more in depth about these threats. Be sure to tune in there. That's all I got to share with you guys. So I'm going to hop off here. I'll see you guys tonight at 7 p.m. And be sure to hit that like button on your way out. I would appreciate that. You guys have a safe and wonderful Sunday afternoon.